So next up, guys, we've got a nice day cab truck here. It's a 1995 MACK CH613. I'm here with Joe. He's only selling this truck because he actually just bought a different one from us. So now he's putting this truck up for auction. But I'll let Joe go ahead. He'll tell you a little bit about it here.
Okay, so I've owned this truck for 19 years. I bought it used from the Twin Bridges dealer in Davenport, Iowa. Been a good solid truck for me for 19 years. I've got all the service records. Everything was serviced at K&M Service in Waterloo. We got a sliding fifth wheel plate, aluminum fuel tanks and air tanks. AC works, air ride seat, PTO on it that I've never used, but it worked the last time I tried it. I've had new head gaskets put in it within the last 3 years. Like I said, I got all the service records for it. It's not a bad truck. Runs pretty solid.
Yeah, so I'll have him go ahead. He'll jump in it. He'll fire it up. We'll give you a nice demo here. I'll let him start it kind of as I walk around it. But be a Mack 8-speed manual transmission. Fires right up there, guys. All aluminum rims. I think it's got a Mack diesel motor. I haven't got the hood lifted on it yet, but I'm sure I'll kind of see that once I get looking there. Air ride suspension, air ride seat. It's got a little bit of rust on the backside of the cab there, but honestly, guys, for an Iowa truck, things really pretty good shape for a 1995 as far as rust and everything that way goes. Like he said, it's been serviced, it's been maintained. He's got all those records. But I'll go ahead. I'll have him just drive it in a little circle around the lot here, so he'll just kind of show you it moving. But he drove this in from a decent ways away. I think he's probably 35 miles or so. So ran down the road good for him. As far as all that goes, I don't think you need to be worried. As far as the functionality of the unit. Windy, cold day. Nice running truck's not even smoking or anything. So I think pre-emissions unit. I think it's got maybe like 38,000 hours. He said the odometer shows 590, but that quit working years back, he said. So there's a quick little demo. 1995 MACK CH613 day cab. Look, guys, auction time in old 20.